Ever wondered what to do when someone has a heart attack? Today, we delve into a topic that could mean the difference between life and death. This information might just help save a life someday, so pay close attention as we walk you through the critical steps. Firstly, it's vital to know the signs of a heart attack. The most common symptoms include chest pain, shortness of breath, and feelings of nausea or lightheadedness. If someone around you starts showing these signs, it's time to spring into action. The very first thing to do is to dial emergency services. Don't hesitate or second-guess yourself. Every second counts in these situations. Be sure to provide them with all the necessary information, like the person's condition and location. While waiting for the medical help to arrive, it's your job to keep the person calm. Encourage them to sit down, rest, and reassure them that help is on the way. Stress can exacerbate the situation, so your calming presence can make a real difference. If the person is conscious and not allergic, offering them a low-dose aspirin to chew can help. Aspirin can thin the blood and potentially minimize the damage caused by a heart attack. However, it's crucial to consult with medical professionals before administering any medication. Should the person lose consciousness and stop breathing, you must be ready to perform CPR. Remember the basic steps. Dial emergency services and start chest compressions, hard and fast at the center of the chest, at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. This act could be life-saving. In conclusion, swift and calm action can significantly impact the outcome when someone is having a heart attack. Being prepared and knowing what to do can save a life. Please share this crucial information with your friends and family. Until next time, stay safe and ready for anything. Thank you for your attention.